Well, the shed survived the winter with just that tarp on the roof. So now it's time to put some shingles up there. That's what I'm doing today. I had to get 2 more boards up on each end. Then we'll put the drip edges on, the underlayment down, and the shingles. I needed to put up one more piece of trim on each end of the shed. So both of those are up there now. It's black fly season up here, but luckily there's a good breeze today, so they're keeping the bugs out of my eyes and nose. I got my first piece of flashing up. For my starter row here, I cut the tabs off some shingles and put the remaining piece down, and then we put our first row of shingles on top of that starter row. Well, I finally got smart and I put a seat cushion up on the top of the ladder. So when I rest my thighs and my stomach on the ladder, it doesn't dig into my legs. Of course, it took me a whole day to figure that out. But now it's making things a lot easier, or a lot more comfortable. All done. That's what it looks like from up top. Should keep the water out. It's just a shed after all. So another project accomplished.